Hello, good morning. Today lecture is for BSc Part 2, Organic Chemistry, Paper 2, Trihydric Alcohols. Introduction. The compounds containing 3 hydroxyl groups are known as trihydric alcohols. These 3 hydroxyl groups must be attached to 3 different carbon atoms for stability of the compound. The most important trihydric alcohol, which is also the first member of the series, is glycerol, also known as propane 1,2,3-triol in IUPAC system. Glycerol, propane 1,2,3-triol. It is a glycerol. See the structure of this. Glycerol may be considered as a derivative of propane obtained by the replacement of 3 hydrogens from different carbon atoms by 3 hydroxyl groups. However, in industry it is known as glycerine. It was discovered by Seeley in 1779, who obtained it by the hydrolysis of olive oil. It occurs in combined state as glyceryl ester of higher fatty acids. In almost all vegetables and animal oils and fats, the higher fatty acids present in glyceryl esters are usually of this type: glyceryl tripalmitate, glyceryl trioleate, glyceryl tristearate, glyceryl alpha-alpha dipalmitate beta oleate. General methods of preparation. Glycerol from soap industry. In soap industry, fats and oils are hydrolyzed with caustic alkali solution. Then sodium or potassium salts of higher fatty acids and glycerols are obtained. This hydrolysis, as it results in the formation of soap, is known as saponification. Soap is salted out by adding NaCl to the reaction product filtrate contain 3 to 5% glycerol. This is the reaction. Higher fatty acid esters hydrolyze with sodium hydroxide, 3 molecules of sodium hydroxide. It will give you glycerol plus soap. Glycerol from the sweet water of candle industry. So from candle industry also we can obtain glycerol. Higher fatty acid esters are hydrolyzed with water in presence of acid. It will give us the glycerol, sweet water, and from sweet water we can collect glycerol. The filtrate is known as sweet water of candle industry. It contains, beside glycerol, water and free fatty acids. It is neutralized with sodium carbonate and glycerol is recovered. Third method, by fermentation of sugars. Glycerol is formed as a byproduct in the alcoholic fermentation. Sorry for interruption. Third method, in continuation of the preparation of glycerol, by fermentation of sugars, glycerol is formed as a byproduct in the alcoholic fermentation of sugars. However, a German chemist, Neuberg, observed that if the fermentation of sugars is carried out in the presence of sodium sulfide, the yield of glycerol can be increased up to 25%. See the sugar yeast fermentation, it will hydrolyze into glucose, and then on fermentation by the in presence of sodium sulfide, it will give glycerol and acetaldehyde and carbon dioxide. Fourth method, glycerol from synthetic methods. Glycerol is now obtained industrially by synthetic method, starting from propylene obtained from petroleum industry by cracking. Propylene is when chlorinated at 500 degrees centigrade temperature, it will give first allyl chloride, and then it is hydrolyzed with sodium carbonate at 500 degrees centigrade temperature and 12 atmospheric pressure. It will give us this propylene alcohol, and by electrophilic addition of hypochlorous acid, it will give glycerol beta monochlorohydrine, and on further hydrolysis with sodium hydroxide, it will give glycerol. Alternatively, allyl chloride may be treated with hypochlorous acid to form glyceryl dichlorohydrine, which on hydrolysis forms glycerol. See, we can change the route. Alternatively, we can add electrophilic addition of hypochlorous acid to allyl chloride. It will first give glyceryl alpha beta dichlorohydrine, and then on hydrolysis, it will give glycerol. Properties of glycerol. It is a colorless, odorless, viscous and hygroscopic liquid. Hygroscopic means it can catch water or moisture from the atmosphere. Its boiling point is 290 degrees centigrade and specific gravity is 1.26. It is higher than water at 20 degrees centigrade temperature. It is sweet in taste and miscible with water and ethanol in all proportion. It is insoluble in organic solvents like ether, benzene, chloroform, etc. It decomposes on heating at the boiling point and gives transparent crystals of melting point 17 degrees centigrade on supercooling. Thank you very much for today's lecture.